Today in class we are going to talk about showing up regardless of a little bit of inclement weather. It rained last night, it rained today, it rains sometimes. We still have to come into class, yes? Yes, we do. We need to learn. You have paid to be here. I would think that you would want to show up and come in, but as you look around the classroom, you can see that not everybody showed up today. I want to tell you a story about a little place in mythology called Wisconsin. I'm terrible. Called Wisconsin. Wisconsin was this incredibly cold, frigid place in the land just below Canada. 5-year-olds, 6-year-olds would go out in the country and wait for a bus that might be coming. You don't know. How cold was it? I don't really know how to put it in terms of something that you would understand, but imagine that you went into your freezer and you were only wearing a pair of shorts and flip-flops. Cold. Very, very cold. And they did it, and they're 6 years old. But they do it because them, it is not the end of days. There will be a tomorrow. It is not devastating to them. It is Wednesday, right? It's another day for them in Wisconsin, freezing, and they still go to school. They learn math. They go to recess. They play outside in the snow. What you choose to call hell, they call home. Anyway, we should let our viewing audience see who I am talking to. My second class, and there they are. 0. So, what I'm saying is, I don't know why they didn't show up. It's rain. It's rain, rain, rain. Have a great day. Over and out.